Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide x squared on numerator and denominator. So this one we will have about 1 over x squared plus x squared. Next, I will put number 2 in here. Later that we need to have 1 over 2 because I want to create about 1 over x squared plus 1 over x squared. Next, I will add positive number 1. Later that I need to minus negative number 1. And now we create two fractions in here. The first one, that's about 1 over 2, and we have the integration of this one in here over this one. And the second one, 1 over x squared minus 1 over this one. Next, I will put about negative number 2 in here. And that means we have positive number 2. This one I will add about positive number 2. Later that we need to minus number 2. Next, this one is about x multiplied by 1 over x. This one similar. So I just create about identity in here. So you have about 1 over x minus x to the power of 2. This one similar. Now I will go to this one first. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u. I will put about u equals to this one. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have negative 1 over x squared minus 1. Everything with the x. Because we just have positive, so we move negative side, go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one in here, we change for du. And we know that the integration of this one, we have 1 over the square root of number 2 or tan of u over the square root of number 2. And we put about c in here. About u, we already know that this is about this one. We simplify this one. And we have 2 with the square root of number 2. Now we go to the next one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. We do first derivative for the both sides. Now we multiply negative side for the both sides. This one I forget negative. So this one you will have about negative du 1 over s squared minus 1. So this one in here we change for u. This one in here we change for negative du. About this integration, we will have about 1 over 2, and we have the square root of number 2, or tan of u over the square root of number 2, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we combine two answers in here. About this one, that is about this one. About this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.